No, these straights here, you never. I've been, yeah, they're very, I mean, very closely matched.
I wonder, I might got too much armor on my car or something. Does that make a
No,
difference?
I've got full armor.
I didn't think it made a difference. That I'm definitely slower. I'm not skidding or anything, and everyone's just pulling away. Whoa!
Gonna lose people here on this corner, I can tell. No. Alright, oh, we lost a couple. Back to 20th place. On 10th place. Oh, what the hell? That guy was lagging the fuck out. He was in a Cyrus, but he was driving sideways and he was carving up the road, like tyre marks everywhere, but he was still keeping up with everyone. He went for about 200 yards going sideways, completely sideways.
Must be one of them crab people.
Yeah. God damn those crabs. Oh, I'm in 7th now. There's a few people fucking up. Can't take the heat. Oh, there's another one. Got another loser. 6. Oh, another one bad driving. 5th. Come here. Fuck you, old Cyrus. Fuck you, old Cyrus. Yeah, he's fucked it. I'm in 5th.
Damn it! The people behind me are closer than the people in front of me. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Oh shit! Oh, and I fucked up. There goes a load of people. Ah.
Right, got some pavements to crawl now.
Fucking. Oh,
Where are you at, Reaper?
I hit a concrete barrier.
Oh, you're nowhere.
I'm like, wait, 8.
Okay. So we're approaching the stunt now, so there's plenty of people going to get the jitters and including me.
Way longer course.
I'm
than usual.
scared. Oh, went off the top of the fucking. Don't go too fast to approaching the stunt. You go off the top of the.
Holy shit! This feels thin. What? Ah! No! Ah! Right
That's what
before
she
the
said.
checkpoint.
Ah, yeah. I made
It's
myself
only
come
two
off.
containers thick, innit? But for some reason it feels like it's thin as fuck.
You can see it's angled a bit though, can't you? It's like it's a little convex. I mean concaved. What? I still coming off the top of the bloody bush, fucking from the respawn.
Yes, got it.
What? What'd you get? You won?
Checkpoint.
Oh, a
No.
checkpoint.
Just happy I got a checkpoint, yeah. Starting to get the hang of it now, I think. I was driving
It's like
all
my
over the place
Rambo's
before and
headband, but
didn't do
ultra smooth.
it. Yeah. How many times do I have to do this?
I
Then
think
off
it's
the
only
map.
3 or 4 rotations. It's not. It's not a whole lot. Not like
All the
10.
finish lines on the map. So now I have to go over, do I? Oh no! Oh, I've fallen off. Right as the finish line was coming up.
It's strategically placed the respawns right before where the stunt starts. So,
Cool.
oh, for fuck's sake, man! I'm gonna DNF this bullshit at this rate.
Well, I don't believe it. The checkpoint's there. Yes. I just had to drive upwards. That's
Oh, really?
annoying. Oh god. Made a meal of it.
Oh my! It's not going good. Oh, fucking 10 seconds to what? Get on the wall ride? Is that all the time I have? Oh, get.
So is that a
Say-
point to point? Yeah, because there's no way you can
Yeah,
start.
yeah, no, yeah. So point to point.
Pretty cool.
Nice. So it took a lot of engineering to get that like smooth all the way around and perfect halo-y thingy. Just kissing his ass for no reason really. Don't really need to do that. So I'll do it anyway.
Diddle down.
Alright. That was was that it?
Curved the wall. That was
One
3 or
more.
4. There's a 4th.
Oh, okay, alright, cool. Jake's gonna run away for eagles creeping up. Don't blame him. He's not happy with his fucking 120 Canadian dollars.
Did he win the whole thing, did he, Eagle?
Yeah, yeah. There you go, I chose this one. I submitted this as the man
I thought they
at
had a round of
arms.
semi-finals and all sorts of shit. But it's all done and dusted then.
Well, it was all qualifiers, and then we all just played this with all various people, and it was the playlist was, you know, doing for so long or whatever. Alright, turn that off.
No.
Invite.
Free money's free money. Doesn't matter how much.
Exactly.
Okay.
Did I ever get round to rolling my cigarette? Complete shambles here. Still got to make last bloody playlist. So, any help?
Yeah, 4 of mine.
Well, I would gladly. It's about time you had so many races that you don't actually win the list because people vote for separate ones, and then yeah, you end up taking like It's like, what the fuck? It's like, that's it, I'm saving my best race for the month. It'd be good though, wouldn't it? Next month, or you know, first week of January, he's going to do a list of all the winners or whatever.
Yeah, from the year.
You won a few, ain't you? I'm
Broken
sure.
Bus Spiral might.
Your
I think
what,
that first
Spiral?
Broken Bus Spiral of mine. I think the first Broken Bus Spiral. I think
That was it.
won-
Yeah, yeah,
wins
yeah.
the
The
winners
vertical
thing.
one in
Yeah,
the farmland.
that's my most played race now.
Yeah, it was awesome. Fucking lanky fucker, wasn't it?
At the time, no one had done one like that. I was chuffed.
Nah, no one really has done since. Not on that not that level. I mean, if people say, "Oh, this is the biggest, this is that," and like we raced that race, didn't we? The tallest Subaru, whatever. I'm like, what? That's nowhere near Halconian's fucking PS3 race. I mean, wasn't PS3, but you know what I mean.
My PS3 races are all gone. I wish I'd have kept
did you
some of them
transfer
actually. It's
them?
a shame you can't get stuff back. No, I deleted all the shite when I joined the GCCC because I realised the quality level was very different to what I've been doing.
No,
I mean, I
but
was
for
making really
nostalgia,
daft stuff.
no, I haven't deleted my first race, just for nostalgic value or whatever, or...
Yes, well, I didn't realise I would have nostalgic value. At the time I thought, oh, this is a bit rubbish.
But you know, I mean,
I
it's
had
good
really
to...
stupid names as well. I had one of them called Mulaka Chaka, which doesn't really mean anything.
I
And
like
it was
it.
a bunch of broken ramps.
I wanna play
so as
it.
you go up,
I wanna
you jump
bookmark it.
from, like different ramps in a supercar.
Oh,
Fucking
really?
annoying. Yeah, so you just fall off dead easy. Like, you know, you had to get the right pace for these funny ramps, and it was little, medium, and large, differing, so you could land on them and like not know what one you were landing on. And yeah.
Oh,
And I
Reaper!
had all the
Stop
motorbike
challenging me
races,
so hard. You're making me make mistakes.
parkour motorbike races.
Yeah, my first race was a
Don't even get
motorcycle
on bikes
race.
anymore. It's great.
Airport
Since Stonebridge,
confusion.
I'm not arsed at all with the motorcycles, but oh, am I on lap 2? No, I was on lap 2.
What do you think though? Have you done this before?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh, we all raced it
didn't feel
last
like
night,
much
didn't
of a
we?
lap, did it? Yeah,
We
yeah.
were testing
again,
it,
was
innit?
knackered.
Every car we could think of. Oh, I'm gonna fuck it up. God damn it, someone's gonna catch me up now. No, they're not, really? Oh, someone's behind
No,
me,
we've
but
all had our
I'm never
individual-
gonna catch Reaper though, at this rate. Reaper,
I'm behind you.
your mum's calling you, I can hear her.
Yeah, gotta take the garbage out. That's such-
Yeah, the rubbish, gotta take the rubbish out.
Sorry, I was being a bit overly American.
Apparently you
there.
didn't do your homework. No.
Too many American TV shows.
Too many Halconian races, more like. Anyone beaten my
Hey.
time on Brawl
Oh,
Extreme
man.
yet?
Igor's just caught